Hi guys, today I will explain how to buy USDT in Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open your Binance application. Once it will be open, in order to buy that crypto, just click on this Binance icon, which is on the left top, and here you will see few options. From these, click on the option More Services. Some more feature of Binance will be expanded, and from these you have to click on this option Buy Crypto. Here you will see two windows. This one is for buying, and this one is for selling, like we want to buy. So that why click on this one, and it will be the amount in which you will buy the USDT. In order to change, click on it, and here you have to choose your currency, by which you want to buy the USDT. You can also get the help of this search bar by clicking on it, and enter your currency. Once you do, below you will see the option of buy, click on it. And if the selected option is not USDT, then select it. And also, you can use the search bar. Once you're done, here is the payment method. Click on it, and here you will see multiple payment method by which you can purchase it. This one is Easy Paisa. This one is bank transfer, and the on the last is Rast. Once you confirm your payment method, click on this confirm and enter the amount. And here you can see I entered the amount. And this one is the USDT, which I will purchase with this amount. The last thing is click on the option Preview Order. And here is the option of Preview Order. And I need to place the order, and I will pay 2,000 Pakistani rupees, and I will receive 6.80 USDT. Once I will click on this option, place order, my order will be placed, and under 15 minutes I will purchase the USDT. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.